Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Essien and I'm a UI/UX designer based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I give you tips on how to level up in your UI/UX design. So it's almost 2025, and if you're thinking that okay, I need to start UI/UX design, I need to go into this thing. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the things that you should know before getting into UI/UX design in 2025. Now, if this sounds like something that you are interested in, you should keep watching to the end. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and subscribe. So let's get right into the video. The first thing to know before starting out in UI/UX design is that you should always keep up with design trends. So just the same way you keep up with, TikTok trends, makeup trends, fashion trends, there are also design trends that you need to keep up with. You see a website that was designed 5 years ago. It's not the same way that website is going to be designed in 2024. So you don't want to design something that will look like it was designed in the 1990s. So you have to stay on top of trends, follow industry professionals. You can join design groups. I know that there are some design groups on LinkedIn, so you can join them to stay on top of design trends. The next thing is to do more practicals than theory. So get more hands-on experience. It's okay to, take your courses, watch your YouTube videos, attend your boot camps. I mean, it's all good. But after all of that, you need to get hands-on experience. Like design something, look for a problem around you and try to solve this problem. Look for something to build, look for something to design, because that's the way that you would grow. Like after learning everything that you have learned from your online courses, your YouTube videos, put those things into practice, because what do you have to show for all the courses, all the theory that you have been learning? What do you have to show for it at the end of the day? Nothing. So do more practical, look for a problem around you and solve. Just keep designing, because that's the way you will grow. That's the way you know, okay, what you need to work on. That's the way you can put all your theory into practice. So at this point, it's not just enough to just learn, and keep learning. Like you can do pro bono work, volunteer. All these things are going to help you expand your knowledge, and they can even open doors of opportunities for you. So just close down your laptop, close down, not your laptop, close that course that you are learning and get your hands dirty. The next thing you should know is not to get attached to any design tool. Yes, there are so many design tools out there. You have Photoshop, Figma, InVision, Adobe XD, a bunch of design tools out there. So you don't want to get attached to one design tool that you go to the point that, oh, if you are not designing with Figma or if you're not designing with Adobe XD, you cannot design. You don't want to get attached to any tool at all. And the good thing about all these tools is that once you have mastered one tool, it's so easy for you to transfer your knowledge of that tool into another tool, because they practically all work the same. I started with Photoshop and it was easier to know the basics of Figma because I was able to transfer my skills of Photoshop into Figma. So just don't get attached to any tool at the end of the day. The next thing is to steal like an artist. Yes, I don't know if you guys have read that book, but I recommend reading that book as a designer, Steal Like an Artist. So it's a book that basically talks about copying people's work. But it's not about you seeing somebody's work and just carrying everything the way it is and pasting it in your design. No, it's about getting inspiration from this work and seeing how you can draw that inspiration and put it inside your own work. It's also about trying to put yourself into the mind of the person who designed this work and trying to see how they found a solution to this problem and trying to see if you can apply this solution into the problem that you are solving. And one thing that I have learned with this whole design thing is that the wheel is not broken. So if the wheel is not broken, why do you need to fix it? I understand that, okay, yes, you want to design something from scratch, you want to be unique, you want to reinvent something, and that's fine, that's okay, but you need to draw inspiration from somewhere. So if you have seen something that is working, why do you want to go above and beyond to go and reinvent, restructure, start again from scratch? Just pick up something that was from there and try to put your own touch to it, your own spice, your own, make it yours, but just draw inspiration from somewhere. You get it? The next thing is to promote yourself. Like no matter what point you are in your design journey, even if you're still in the learning phase, that's okay. You can still promote yourself out there. You can be like, okay, well, I'm just starting my design journey. Then today you can come and tell us, okay, this is what I did today. This is what I learned today. By this, you're putting yourself out there. You're making people to be interested in what it is that you're doing. So someone can see your interest, see what you like, see your growth, see your progress. And you never know, this thing can open doors for you at the end of the day. So just promote yourself, be visible. Don't try to be doing secret. Oh, I don't want people to see my work. Nobody should know what I'm doing yet. It's not going to help you at the end of the day. So just be visible, and promote yourself. The next thing is for you to be open to feedback and criticism. So you should always be open to criticism and getting feedback from people. Have an open mind, know how to collect this feedback, know how to receive feedback. It's okay to feel discouraged, like, oh, this is what she has said about my work, after thinking that, oh, you designed one mad as something. It's okay to get criticism and it's not exactly what you wanted to hear. But like, don't dwell on it for too long. So learn from this thing, make your changes, because that is the way you will grow at the end of the day. The next thing is to stop comparing your journey to others, especially when you are just starting. You will see someone's work and you start thinking, oh, will I ever get here? How did this person do this thing? You don't know. This person probably has like 7 years of experience or like 15 years of experience. And you are just starting 1 year into it and you're already feeling down, like feeling less of yourself because you have not gotten to this point yet. Instead of that, just keep learning, keep improving, and you will get better. No need to be sitting around and be comparing your journey to others. The next thing is to document every single thing. No matter how stupid you think this thing looks or how ugly you think this design looks, document every single thing. Don't delete anything. This will help you when it comes to building your case study. It also helps you to kind of see your progress, like, oh, this is how I started. This is how this thing looked in the beginning in my first try. And this is how far I have come. These are the changes I have made. And this is how I have grown so far from the beginning of this thing to the end, like to where I am now. And I've talked about this in several times in my video. So like, just document everything. Document, document, document. You have Google Docs. You can even leave them on Figma. There is Notion. You have so many tools that you can use out there to just document every single thing. The last and final thing that I would say is to always ask for help. No man is an island of himself. Mostly when you're just starting, you cannot be doing, oh, I don't need help. I want to learn in secret. I want to learn on my own without asking for help. I understand that yes, it might not be easy for you to ask for help. You might be scared of people's response, but how would you grow if you don't ask for help? How would you learn if you don't ask for help? So just put yourself out there. If you need help, know who to ask and get your help. So these are just a few things that I wish I knew before starting out in UI UX design. I hope this video was good. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did and you want to learn more about UI UX design, you should check this playlist out. Don't forget to like, leave your comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.